Miss us? Don't worry, because we're back and we've got new riddles for you to solve. Better put your game face on, because these 5 new riddles are tricky. Ready? Let's get it on and let's start solving. Here's the first riddle. I can't be bought, but I can be stolen with a glance. I'm worthless to one, but priceless to 2. What am I? Think about it. What's something that can be priceless to 2, but no worth to 1? The countdown is almost over. Better finalize your answer. The answer is love. Aw, that's right. You can be priceless to 2, meaning your parents, and can be worthless to 1. Unrequited love, perhaps? Did you get that? Amazing. Ready for the second one? Let's go. Riddle number 2. No matter how little or how much you use me, you change me every month. What am I? We hope it has nothing to do with hygiene. Goodness, no. Do you have your answers ready? The answer? A calendar. Phew, thank goodness that was the answer. Do you still have a calendar at home or in the office? Or do you just use your phones now? Let us know in the comments. Let's see if you can answer riddle number 3. Here goes. What kind of running means walking? You might have just said, huh? Or what? And think, that's absurd. We'll wait for the answer. Ready? The answer is running out of gas. That actually makes sense. Of course, you run out of gas, you walk. Hope that tickled your funny bone. Here's the next riddle. Riddle number 4. 2 cops walked into a room with no windows and found a dead man who obviously hung himself from the ceiling, though they couldn't figure out how. There was no chair beneath him that he might have jumped off of, or a table, just a puddle of water. How'd he do it? Now this one's tricky. Start squeezing your creative juices. Ready to find out what happened? The answer is he stood on a block of ice until it melted. Did you get that one right? Wow, good job. You can be a detective. But hold on, we still have one more riddle to go. Let's see if you get this one right. Here's the last riddle. I can be short and sometimes hot. When displayed, I rarely impress. What am I? Now, this is mind-boggling. Are you confident about your answer? Well, let's find out. The answer? Your temper. Hope you didn't lose your temper on that last one. But seriously, isn't it fun and invigorating to answer riddles? Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you got all the answers right. Make sure to show us some love by liking and subscribing to Riddle Doodle. Hit the bell to get more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video of Riddle Doodle.